Got to tell you about a podcast that I can't tell you about. Okay, now this is going to be on the Dr. B VIP Rumble BitChute. On this format, we cannot talk about some of the subjects. I'm with Dr. Tim O'Shea, good friend. I've known this guy for years, and we get hot and heavy into stuff that we can't talk about. Boy, is that clear. We are free speech on the Dr. B VIP, and this is about certain medical interventions that might be questioned, and we're going to get into it hot and heavy. So I'll see you there. If you can hear my voice, you are part of the resistance.